Looking for a powerful tool that helps you display your data in style. Whether you're looking to customize bar charts to match your site's design, update data points easily, or seamlessly integrate dynamic charts into your site, this app has got you covered. Head to the Wix App Market and click Add to Site. Also, this is how to add the app through the Wix Studio Editor. Head to the App Market menu and search for Bar Chart App. Then click Add to Site. To make the widget responsive on your desktop and mobile site, you'll need to stretch it to cover the full page. After clicking on the chart settings, here is how to change the bar data. You can change the number of bars, select which bar to edit, and change their colors. Keep in mind that you're changing the data point values. The percentage will be calculated based on these values. Additionally, here is how you can choose between various bar chart types. Lastly, don't forget to save and publish your site to preserve your editing. If you found this video useful, please like or leave a comment. It helps immensely. Feel free to contact us if you need any further help. Thank you for watching.